Day 679 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, y'all, we're back again another day, another LeetCode problem where we're doing daily LeetCode problems. And today we have question number 3,174 clear digits. The difficulty level is easy, so you already know we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as well. But before we get started, y'all, don't forget to like, hype, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you need any new Apple AirPods, go ahead and check out that link in the description so you can get you some. Now let's see what the question says. You're given a string S. Your task is to remove all digits by doing this operation repeatedly. Delete the first digit and the closest non-digit character to its left. Return the resulting string after removing all digits. Note that the operation cannot be performed on a digit that does not have any non-digit characters to its left. All right, y'all, so that sounds simple enough, but let's go ahead and take a look at these examples anyway, just to make sure that we are doing this problem correctly. So in example 1, we have our input S equals a string ABC. Our output is a string ABC. Explanation said there is no digit in the string. So in this case, we didn't need to perform this operation because there are no digits in this string. There's only characters. So since there's only characters, we didn't need to do anything, so we could just return this string as it is. Boom. Now let's take a look at example 2 where there is some digits. So first, let me copy and paste this over here so y'all can see what's going on. Now let's get into it. It says the input S equals a string CB34. The output is a blank string. So how did they get a blank string from this output? Let's go through it. It says first we apply the operation on S of 2 and S becomes C4. So we're going to perform this operation on S of 2. So S of 2 on 0 index, we go 0, 1, 2. Boom. So this is S of 2 right here, this 3. Remember, it has to be a digit. It says delete the first digit and the closest non-digit character to its left. So that means we're going to delete this 3, and the closest non-digit character to its left is this B, right? So we're going to delete this B3. Boom. After we delete this B3, S becomes C4. Boom. That's why we have C4 right here, because we performed the operation. Boom. Then we apply the operation on S1, and S becomes a blank string. So this time, once again, 0 index, this is 0, 4 is at index 1. Boom. So we're going to perform the operation on this 4 again. So it says delete the first digit. Boom. So we're going to delete that 4 and the closest non-digit character to its left, which is this C. Delete that. Boom. After we delete that, we are left with this blank string, and thus our output is a blank string, and that's how we got it. So I hope that makes sense to y'all. And now that we understand the question, let's get into the fun part, the actual solution. Solution is not that difficult at all. Now, first thing we want to do is we're going to create a counter that will keep track of how many letters should be removed due to the encountering digits. So we need to keep count. We're going to declare a variable called count, and we're going to set that equal to 0. Boom. Now the final resulting string after processing needs to be created too. So we need to create this output string. So we're going to declare another variable called result, and we'll set that equal to a blank string. Boom. Then we need to iterate through the string in reverse order, and we're going to process from the end so that when we see a digit, we know to remove the closest letter before it. So we're going to say for CHN S dot reversed, put the parentheses, and open up the brackets. If the character is a digit, we're going to check by saying if ch dot is number, boom, then we can open up the brackets, and we're going to increase the count of letters that need to be removed. So we're going to say count plus equals 1. Boom. Sorry, y'all. Boom. Else, if the character is a letter and there are no pending removals, we're just going to handle that. We're going to say else if count equals 0. Then we're going to open up the brackets, and we're going to keep the character and prepend it to the result since we are iterating backwards. So we're going to say result equals string open under parentheses, ch, come outside of that, we're going to say plus result. Boom. Then we're going to come right here and we're going to say else, open up the brackets, and if there's a pending removal caused by a digit, then we're going to skip this letter and decrease the removal counter by saying count minus equals 1. Now we just need to return the process string after removing the required characters by coming right here, and we can say return results, y'all. Boom, that's all she wrote. Let's give it a run. Make sure it runs properly before we submit it. It's accepted, so let's go ahead and submit it. Make sure it's still accepted after we submit it. And look at that, y'all. 0 milliseconds means 100% of users. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I like to see, y'all. So with that being said, make sure you get one more look at the code. And I hope to see y'all here tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. See y'all then.